Okay, in this video we're going to start by first assigning our category to a parent. These are just empty values, so only now is currently working. So let's go back to our base code. Then in here you can see this code which is right here on the now with a now value. We can just copy this live wire feature, this live wire method here, and then paste it inside our for each loop. And now we can set category. In here we can set parent ID. In here we can just add two curly brackets and then here type category ID, of course. So right now if we go and refresh and then try to add, for example, a kitchen which falls under home, here can have children, yes, and parent is home. Now home is selected. If we add, category has been created. And if we go back to our, in here you can see we created a kitchen with a parent category of 1, which is home right here. So this is working perfectly as we want it. And now we're gonna come in here. Let's just add a few CSS so that when we click on something it should highlight here. It should remain highlighted. Let's go back to our base code. In here let's go to the first span element that we have. Let's just add a few PHP. So we're gonna check if the parent ID is equals to now, and then we're gonna show a ring with the ring offset of 2, yes, and then also add an else statement, otherwise it's gonna give us an error like that, an empty cell. So let's just copy this code, come down here, paste it in here, and here we're going to change this to if parent ID is equals to category ID. And then if we go back right now and refresh, alright, it seems we have an error. Here you have to change this from an underscore to a pointer. So if we go back and refresh, alright, now we have something like this. So now when we select a parent ID, it's going to highlight here, which is more readable. Right, next let's work on displaying our category list here in a nice tree view. Let's go back to our code.